The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is July 25 and we are celebrating the feast of Saint James the Great, one of the 12 disciples and the brother of John the Beloved. If we can relate with Saint James, probably it is his being a hot-tempered man. He was considered to be lacking in patience. That's why he was called Son of Thunder. However, if there is also a good thing that we can learn from him, it is his being true to his words. When Jesus asked him, "Can you drink the cup from which I am about to drink?" Then he said, "Yes, I can." And true enough, even if Saint James didn't understood so well before what Jesus meant, but when it was time for him to offer his life, he selflessly offered his life for the sake of the gospel. Saint James was the first among the 12 who offered his life in martyrdom for the sake of the gospel. He truly meant and lived by his words when he said, "I can drink the cup of your suffering." Are we true to our words? Are we faithful to our promises to the Lord? Many of us have promised to the Lord, "Lord, just give me this and I will offer whatever you ask." But what happened? After we get what we want, after the Lord has agreed and listened and gave what we were asking for, we tend to forget. Let us learn from Saint James. He may be a hot-tempered person, but when the Holy Spirit came down upon him, the moment he decided to follow the Lord, he meant it, even if that would mean shedding his own blood. His dedication, his fidelity, his being a man of word, his being selfless servant, and his dedication to the word of the Lord, bringing the gospel even to the ends of the earth. That's one thing that we should learn from him. As follower of the Lord and as servant of the word, let us be men and women of honor, faithful to our promises to the Lord.